And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And today we're going to do something we haven't done in quite a while, and that's a 2-Minute Tuesday. And we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your Jeep JL or JT. Now, just like the air filter that feeds fresh air into your engine, you do have an air filter in your cabin that filters the air as you're running your climate control system. Now, the factory recommends that you change this out every 20,000 miles. If you spend a lot of time off-road or in dusty conditions, we're going to recommend that you replace it every 10 to 15,000 miles. And if you're sensitive to pollution and pollen, you might want to change it even more than that. Now, it is easy to do. It's located right behind the glove box. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and start out. We're going to start by opening our glove box. And then right here on the side, we've got the slow release rod right here. You want to grab a hold of it and just pop it up. And then you can wiggle the cover a little bit, and that lifts up and out of the way. Now, up on top of the glove box, you can see this little catch right here. We're going to push up, and the glove box drops down below. This is what sits behind that catch. And then off it comes. Now, if you look really close back in here, you can see this cover right here, and there's 2 little levers or 2 little tabs. And we want to pinch those and then pop it out. And here's our filter. We're going to grab it, and I can see Moab dust on it already. And it kind of bends and comes right out. And that is a dirty filter. So here's a filter, and I'm going to say that there's probably more than 20,000 miles on this filter. All right, now we're going to take our Mahle air filter, and you notice there actually has 2 different layers. There's a 3rd layer in here too. It also has a thin carbon layer to help keep that air nice and clean. Now, if we look at the side, you're going to see this arrow. And we want to flip it upside down and have that arrow pointing down. That's the direction of the air flow into the filter. Now, to put it in, we're just going to squish it a little bit and tuck it back in there. Just like that factory one came out. And in goes our little cover. Snap that in. Line our hinges back up, and the glove box goes on. And then we're going to line up our slow release rod and then push down, pop it into place. So now we just close that glove box and we are done. So if you've got more than 20,000 miles on your Wrangler JL, your Gladiator JT, or even your Wrangler JK, because those have a cabin air filter too, it might be time for a new one. Of course, we've got them here at Northridge 4x4. Drop down to the description box below. You'll find links there, and then hit up that comment section and let us know. Have you changed out your cabin air filter yet? If so, what'd you find? Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.